Hey there, Dr. Mark Bieri here this afternoon from the clinic Regenerative Medical Health in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Work here with my partner, Dr. Elias Said, and we're very excited to have had a great opportunity this afternoon to learn how to do the CaverStem procedure. We had the great good luck of having Nikki Kashner here to show us how to do this. She's a PA with a vast amount of experience in doing this, and we do feel like we're quite adept and ready to go. We're excited about being able to offer CaverStem to men with really significant erectile difficulties from underlying disease processes, failure from the medications that are available for this, and we're all set to treat men from southern New Mexico, West Texas, El Paso, y personas también, hombres de Ciudad Juárez, Chihuahua, donde hay a lot of erectile difficulties there as well. So come on down, give us a call. We'd like to see you here at Regenerative Medical Health for the CaverStem procedure.